Good morning and happy Thanksgiving to everyone. I'm getting ready to deep fry this turkey. Not deep fried, I'm gonna air fry it. I got this air fryer that I bought last year, and it works great with this turkey. It's a propane. You just put it in there, 10 minutes per pound. And we're doing a small turkey this year, about 14 pounds. So that's about 2.5 hours. So while I got the turkey going, I'm gonna make this quick video. But what I was making this video is about, I was thanking you guys for helping me out. I made a video last week about my wife needing some kind of medical exemption or religious exemption because they want them to have their vaccine done by this January for her job. But as you guys know our story, we had COVID there in February 2021, and my wife has a high immunity. And she thinks that if she takes this shot, she will have an adverse reaction to it. And I got a lot of emails from my subscribers and other people giving us links to other sites or to names of doctors and lawyers that can help us out, and I really appreciate that. Fortunately, her job sent her an email yesterday saying, hey, they putting an extension on this until June of 2022. So maybe they're finding out more things about antibodies, how these vaccines are working. Maybe they may start recognizing her natural antibodies. Like I said, we go and get our antibodies tested often. You know, it's been since February, that's been about 8 months. We got our antibodies checked about a couple of months ago, and my wife's antibodies is off the chain. Mine is, I got antibodies, like my doctor said, I might need to take the vaccine, but I'm holding off. But my wife, she don't need to take it because her immunity, she got a lot of antibodies. So maybe they're finding out that, hey, these antibodies is as good, maybe even better as the vaccine. I don't know. But maybe they're doing more research. So that's a blessing that they extended it for another 8 months for the company. And we're in Texas, you know, our governor is fighting for that. He's about to sign these executive orders about these mandates, vaccine mandates. But anyway, again, subscribe to my channel. And also, you probably seen my video here on the cryptocurrency. I invested on November the 10th, I invested $40,000, and this thing is up to right at $100,000 now. So I'm getting 12% back, and that's a blessing right there. So that's $1,000 a month just on interest. But anyway, again, subscribe to my channel. If you want to see the crypto.com currency video, just look in that drop down up there, or I'm gonna put it on the side. You can just click that and it'll take you right to that video. All right, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great Thanksgiving. And don't eat too much. All right, enjoy your day.